everything sort of becomes a reference, a cultural reference, and is used to create something new. And in this sort of age of creation and everything being content, your brand ultimately and your brand's IP is content for Gen Z, right? And so my sort of tip to avoid the misfire is to be a bit less precious about your brand IP, because whether you're in control of it or not, Gen Z will use your IP, your brand, your products as content, as fuel to create new cultural movements, new cultural references. And so knowing how to harness that and having fun with harnessing that and that sort of idea can help you be less uptight about the misfire and embrace what can come from that.